Om Sri Saraswatyaya Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn a story from Stories Past and Present. The title of the story is The Missing Ring. Do you like to read the whole story, or you like to read the summary only? If we want to remember a story, we have to summarize the story. By making a short note, we can remember the story. Number 1, sentence number 1, one day Akbar lost his favorite ring. Number 2, he asked Birbal to find the thief. Number 3, Birbal called the 7 servants to his presence. Number 4, he gave a stick to each servant. Number 5, he said the thief's stick would be longer that night. Number 6, all the 8 servants came back to Birbal with their sticks. Number 7, the thief cut his stick to make it shorter. Number 8, the thief was caught at last. This is the summary of the story. Let's know the whole story. See your book, page number 21. Birbal was famous for his uncommon wit and intelligence. Wit means verbal skill. Intelligence means quality of understanding. SGP 1. Akbar was very fond of jewelry. Fond of means to like something very much. He had hundreds of rings, in which diamonds and many other gems had been set. But of all the rings he had, he liked one the most. It was a large ring with a number of pearls. Pearls means a small, hard, round, white object that grows inside a shell of an oyster and used to make jewelry, and diamonds set in it. The ring was present to Akbar from a queen. Diamonds are very hard, bright, clear, and precious stone, which were used in jewelry. Now see page number 22. At Akbar's palace, there were 8 servants who looked after the emperor's clothes and jewelry. Every day, one of these 8 servants used to help Akbar got ready to go to the court. None other than these 8 servants could enter the emperor's room. One day, the emperor was getting ready to go to the court. He wanted to wear his favorite ring that day. He asked one of his 8 servants to bring it, but the servants came back saying that he couldn't find the ring. Akbar ordered them to search for the ring, but it could not be found. What was Akbar fond of? Akbar was fond of jewelry. How many rings did he have? Akbar had hundreds of rings. Which ring did Akbar like the most? Akbar liked a large ring most, because a number of pearls and diamonds were set in it, and it was presented to him from a queen. Who looked after the emperor's clothes and jewelry? 8 servants looked after the emperor's clothes and jewelry. SGP 2. Akbar was very angry. He felt that one of his servants had stolen the ring. He sent for Birbal. When Birbal came, he told him that what had happened and asked him to find the thief. The following day, Birbal called the 8 servants who were in charge of emperor's room. He gave each of them a short stick and asked them to come back to him the following day, means the next day. He told them that one of them had stolen the emperor's ring and that the thief's stick would become longer by as much as the length of a finger that night. Akbar felt something about the missing. What was it? Akbar felt that one of his 8 servants had stolen the ring. What did Akbar what did Akbar ask to Birbal to do? Akbar asked Birbal to find the thief. What did Birbal give the servants? Birbal gave a short stick to each of the servants. Now see page number 23. What did Birbal tell about the thief's stick? Birbal told that the thief's stick would become longer as much as the length of a finger that night. Let's read SGP 3. The next morning, the 8 servants came back to Birbal with the sticks. Birbal asked them to stand in a line and looked carefully at the stick each one of them was carrying. Suddenly, Birbal caught hold of one of them and took him to Akbar. Caught hold of, the underlined word caught hold of means find out. Akbar find out the thief. And he took him to Akbar. He told Akbar that he had caught the thief. The man felt Akbar's feet and said that he had stolen the ring. He was punished by the emperor. How did Birbal know which of the 8 men was thief? The man who had stolen the ring had believed that Birbal had said about the thief's stick become longer. By the length of the finger. He had gone home and cut his stick to make it shorter. And Birbal had noticed that. Noticed means to mark, to observe, to find. Underlined word noticed. Noticed means to mark, to find, to observe. Birbal had noticed that this man's stick was shorter than the stick of others. Now see your book, page number 24. Here are some MCQs for you. Multiple choice questions. Akbar liked one of his rings the most because a number of pearls and diamonds were set in it. Number 2. The ring was stolen by Des, one of the 8 servants. Akbar asked Birbal Des to find the thief. If you want to get more MCQ questions, type www.testmos.com/q/4280714. Here are some important new words for you. Wit means verbal skill, intelligence means quality of understanding, fond of means to like something very much, diamond is a hard, bright, precious stone, gems, any sort of valuable stone, is called gems, pearls, a small hard round object that grows inside a shell of an oyster. I hope you understand the story well. Write down all the question answers and try to remember. Thanks for watching.